Hello guys, so here's a tour of like my room. Well, guys, over here, like this never used to be here. Like it actually used to be right over there. But yeah. Yeah guys, there used to be a chair here. And guys, this has been here, like this TV set. Yeah, and this has been here, and this vacuum cleaner. Yeah guys, and like this glider has been here and stuff. But guys, some things have been moved around, so yeah. Yeah, guys, and also, by the way, this house was made in 1975, which was, which was 29 years before I was born. So yeah, guys, let me show you like, yeah, guys, this is my bathroom, but I don't go in there because like, it's not finished yet. And guys, here is like my brother's room. Yeah, it hasn't really changed that much. Like this fan has always been here and stuff. Yeah. Well, guys, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe.